You've probably seen a lot of editors using this glass effect, but did you know you can create it entirely in CapCut? Yes, that's why I'm here, trying to speak to the camera, but honestly, I'm way too shy to do it, so yeah, no thanks. For our first lesson, we're creating a clean glass effect. First, go to Stickers, add a shape, and choose any shape you like. I'll use the square shape. Next, customize it, turn it into a rectangle, then slightly round the corners. Now go to Fill, choose white, and lower the opacity to 28%. After that, add a stroke. A thickness of 1 is enough to make it look more realistic. Next, go to Effects and search for Oblique Blur. Drag the effect onto the timeline and place it above the vector shape. Set the blur to 22 and the rotation to 31 degrees. And just like that, you've created a clean, professional glass effect entirely in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment saying I want more if you'd like to see more CapCut editing tips and effects.